Hey, so I'm here to do a review of made for me tommeetippee double electric breast pump. I just got this one today. So this is the packet, as you can see it, and inside this is the first box on top, and it comes with the main unit, this one, and then also comes with the charger for it. Yeah, it's kind of USB charger. And then you get a bag inside after the main unit box. So you get the breast pump, this one. I've got two because it's double, and then this one too. So there's two things. One you have to insert here, and then the other end goes to the main unit. Here you can see it, and there are two, so it works for both the pumps. And there are also two bottles in the box, so that's all about it, and I still have to use it and review it, so I'm just unboxing and showing it to you. So I will review it once I start using it, but I've got it for an affordable price actually, from the tommeetippee website, and I heard many great reviews about it, so hopefully it will be a pleasure using it. Okay, thank you.